Want cinematic 4K drone footage without spending thousands? These top 5 drones bring pro-level camera features to your fingertips without breaking the bank. Hey everyone! In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best 4K drones of 2025, packed with HD cameras, GPS, brushless motors, and even obstacle avoidance. Whether you're a content creator, traveler, or hobbyist, these drones are built to impress. And yes, they're all affordably priced. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. Xiaomi Mijia M6 Drone. This 8K capable drone is built for professionals and hobbyists alike. The 4K video quality, real-time 5G FPV, and included screen remote controller make it a serious value. Pros: 8K photo plus 4K video recording, 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, large screen remote, no smartphone needed, long distance control and stable flight. Why it's great: ideal for content creators and vloggers who want to shoot high-resolution footage on a budget. Number 2. Xiaomi GT8 GPS Drone. This powerful quadcopter includes a 4K HD dual camera, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, and a brushless motor system for efficient, low-noise flight. Pros: obstacle avoidance from all sides, dual camera view, top plus bottom, advanced GPS positioning, long battery life plus strong wind resistance. Why it's great: a top pick for users who want added flight safety, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor exploration. Number 3. 2025 Extension 226 Drone. Equipped with a 4K wide-angle camera, screen remote, and altitude hold, the X226 is beginner-friendly but doesn't skimp on the tech. Pros: wide-angle 4K camera, real-time 5G FPV, one-button takeoff/landing, compact and easy to carry. Why it's great: great for those new to drones but still want crisp, stabilized footage and intuitive controls. Number 4. SG109 Pro Max Drone. This mini drone comes with GPS, a 4K HD camera, and a 4.5-inch large screen controller, so you can fly and record without needing your phone. Pros: large screen equals no app setup, GPS plus return to home, ultra compact and foldable, 4K video for travel or vlogging. Why it's great: perfect for travelers or on-the-go creators who want to pack light but film in high quality. Number 5. Xiaomi GT8 Drone. The GT8 combines 8K resolution support, obstacle avoidance, and foldable portability with a built-in screen remote, making it a top-tier flying companion. Pros: 4K per 8K shooting capability, intelligent obstacle detection, foldable with built-in screen controller, stable flight with brushless motors. Why it's great: a do-it-all drone that fits both pros and casual users looking for aerial quality and ease of use. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. That wraps up our top 5 best 4K drones of 2025. Whether you're filming nature, events, or TikToks, these drones prove you don't have to spend a fortune to get stunning, cinematic shots. Like this video if you found it helpful, drop a comment with your favorite drone, and hit subscribe for more tech reviews.